It's been 25 years journey since I passed out from my college, and up till now I must say it was an amazing and wonderful journey in the field of architecture, and I've worked on several exciting projects. And for any journey to start with, you really need a role model. And in my case, the role models were my mother and a grandmother. uh, at very young age they lost their better halves, and that's why that journey was really with a lot of struggle and a lot of responsibilities. But I saw them that how they handled those situations and worked along with their professions with a lot of passions and dedication. That itself paved my path for my career. uh, I got into a very creative field, and that's where I decided that I'm going to ensure that I'm going to do the best in my given career, and that's where the whole journey began for me. I think I'm fortunate enough to get the right kind of opportunities at the right time in my career, and that's where there was a journey of a lot of experiments, excitement. Of course, with any profession, the stress, the challenges come into the picture, but that itself teaches you that how to deal with those challenges and how to come across or how to deal with them. Same thing happened with me. So along with the journey, I am growing with my wisdom. Fortunately, I'm being associated with SSA Architects, and this journey is being really special for me. I'm very sure it's going to be continued in the same fashion, and lot many exciting projects. I've never looked at the size of the project or the scale of the project, but always try to look at it that how I can make it special, creative, because whatever architects create, that's going to remain. Um, at least it should remain for 100 years, and people should appreciate. So that's where I'm more focused on. During this entire journey, I have met so many professionals, able professionals, work with different kind of uh, organizations and government, semi-government, the corporate houses. And I must say that every time you meet a new set of people, that enriches you and shows you the wisdom and grow you as a person. So definitely, along with the architecture, it has helped me to grow myself. So I must say that there is a lot more for me to yet to do in the field of architecture, and I'm always trying to do what next I can do it. There's a lot more with the newer technology which I'm focusing on. Along with your own profession, I always feel that yes, you have your main thrust on your profession. That's your main responsibility, but you must take care of your hobbies too. I think it's very important that if you have hobbies, that also helps you to rejuvenate. So I'm myself a Hindustani classical vocalist, and I am a painter too. So I have explored myself into digital painting, and believe me, that is a great stress buster for me, and definitely it refreshes me because the blend of music, art, and architecture is a wonderful blend, and every time I can give it a fresh thought to my newer ideas, and that's where I feel that all the ladies, and it's not something bound for the women or the men, but I feel individually we must explore ourselves uh, and dream about something which we have not done. So explore in those fields also, which helps you and guides you in your main career and refreshes you. For any career, for any profession, it's very important to have a wonderful family support, and of course the organization support, your team who are working with you. I'm absolutely blessed with the great family and great organization which keeps me going on and on. So with that, I would say that ladies, just dream and work hard towards your dream, nurture your hobbies, take care of your health, and that's it on the Women's Day. So I wish you all happy Women's Day and all the best. I must thank Sen Gobind for giving me this opportunity to express myself.